So, for today's video mga kabarya, meron ako share sa inyo na isang bagong labas na NFTs or non-fungible token na kung saan ay mimina ka lang gamit ang mga Pokemon. So, maaari ka na kumita rito ng NKG token na pwede natin ipalit sa totoong pera. At ito nga palang NFTs na to mga kabarya, inspired by Pokemon. So, makikita nyo naman yung kanilang Pokeball dyan na naglalaman ng iba't ibang klase na Pokemon. Kaya kung gusto mo yung video na to mga kabarya, tapusin mo hanggang dulo para malaman mo yung step-by-step procedure kung paano gumagana yung kanilang NFTs at kung paano maglaro dito. Pero bago tayo magsimula sa kanilang gameplay, alamin muna natin yung kanilang background history dito sa kanilang white papers or whitelist. So makikita nyo dito, the Pokemon World. So makikita nyo tong picture na to. So yung link nga pala nito nasa description box sa baba. So pati yung mga information nito. So hanapin nyo lang yun, maaari nyo bisitahin. So makikita nyo yung message dito ni Pokemani. So nakalagay dito, is not only a crypto game, but also a true story of how general person find his destiny. So fight the dark and become rich in both meta universe and real life. So dito habang naglalaro tayo, ay maaari tayong kumita rito ng token na NKG na pwede natin ipalit sa totoong pera. So punta na tayo dito sa get started. So dito mga kabarya, makikita nyo itong MetaMask tutorial. So kung paano gumawa ng BSC wallet ninyo. So nakalagay dito, Pokemani is a project based on the BSC chain. So players need to create a BSC address. There are currently many wallets that support the BSC chain. You can use MetaMask to create a BSC address. So nakalagay dito, step 1. So yan, makikita nyo yung kanilang tutorial kung paano i-connect yung kanilang Pokemani dito sa kanilang sa inyong MetaMask. So dito naman back tayo. So dito naman sa kanilang free to earn. So makikita nyo dito free to earn. So Pokemani is based on the blockchain. Most of the current GameFi are play to earn mode. Although this meets the needs of blockchain players, it does not meet the basic logic of the game. Why must a player buy an NFT to play the game? So kailangan bumili ng NFT dito mga kabarya. So makikita nyo rito yung kanilang game shop. So doon sa may kanilang gameplay, yung game shop, makikita nyo na kung saan may makikita kayo ditong Start Your Jungle Adventure. And then makikita nyo yung Pokeball. And then yung presyo na kanilang Neko. So 20 BUSD yung pinaka-minimum dyan. Meron tinatawag na approve pagka bibili kayo. Experience kapag ka libre nyo lang gustong makapaglaro. So 1 week lang yun mga kabarya. So nakalagay dito yung new player benefits. So yan. Maaari nyo basahin yan. And then dito sa team. So, ito yung kanilang team. So, the game developed team is founded in 2017 pa. So, we started small with only 4 members developing casual game. So, yan. Ito yung kanilang team members. So, makikita nyo yung kanilang team members dyan. So, hindi yan basta-basta dahil may mga pinag-aralan din yung mga yan. So, punta naman tayo sa Pokemani Play, Get Your Neko. So, pindutin lang natin yan and then mapupunta na tayo dito. So, players can purchase and create your Neko at the in-game shop. Each character created will receive random career, attribute points, or talent skill. Each character created is in the form of NFT token. So, thus can be freely transferred or sold by their master. So, yan, basahin niyo yan and then makikita niyo yung kanilang game shop dyan. And then, yung kanilang level naman. So, level is one of the Neko's most important attributes. So, importante daw yan mga kabarya. So, raising Neko's level will increase in combat effectiveness and mining speed. So, mas mataas yung level, mas effective yung inyong Pokemon dito, and then mas mapapabilis yung pagmimina nyo dito. So, meron silang level by level dito, so level 1 to level 2. So, 40,000 NKG yung mamamain dyan. So, yung kanilang income multiple, so 2. Up to level 11 hanggang level 12. So, yung NKG na ma-earn nila dyan is 8,250,000 NKG coins or token. So, 800 yung kanilang income multiple dyan. So, dito naman sa kanilang Nekos overview. So, Pokemani has various types and quantities of Nekos. They all have their own unique attributes. As the Pokemani game is developed and upgraded, there will be more characters to unlock. So, there are 4 types of Nekos. Fighting type, rock type, psychic type, and specter type. So, 4 yan mga kabarya, yung type ng Nekos nila. So, the qualified Neko primarily, so value 86 or above, minor value 61 or above. So, yung Neko nila, 12% qualified Neko and 88% unqualified Neko. So, mamaya pag-usapan natin yan. And then, dito sa rock type, so, ito yung type nila. So, rock meaning bato, matigas yan. Overview, a Neko with strong faith. So, their aura skill can provide additional protection for their team. So, kumbaga sa Mobile Legends to is, ano siya, tank. So, ganon. So, main constitution, minor willpower. So, rock type Nekos. Linon, ito yung example nila. Linon is imitates 4 balls to avoid being attacked. Yan. And Amaldo, yan yung kanilang iba't ibang klase ng kanilang rock type. So, punta naman tayo dito sa kanilang fighting type. So, a brave and experienced fighting Neko, a reliable protector to adventure, possess the highest strength and constitution growth attribute. So, mataas yung strength nito, main strength, minor constitution. So, ito yung sample ng kanilang fighting type. So, Rhodes, Absol, yan, si Gimli, si Persian. So, yan yung kanilang sample ng kanilang Pokemon na fighting type. So, psychic type naman. So, the psychic type Nekos can give major force damage while also weakening the mental force of the enemies. They have the most powerful spirit and intelligence. So, main intelligence, minor spirit. So, ito yung example ng psychic type nila. Guaihir, so Maril, and then si Mitram, and Sauron. So, yan. Parang mas okay pa yung sa aking psychic type. Parang mas malakas pa to. So, dito naman sa Spectre type. So, Spectre type Nekos are skilled in dodging and can cause huge physical damage to opponent. So, main agility, minor strength. Ito yung kanilang example ng Pokemon na Spectre type. Si Arwen. Ito si Auren, si Balrogs, Castform, and si Typhlosion. So, yan. And then, dito naman tayo sa kanilang battle. So, merong iba't ibang klase ng battle dito. So, hit points, HP, and attack value. So, defense value, magic resistant, and high rate. So, pwede nyo basahin yan mga kabarya. So, magtatagal kasi yung video natin pagka one by one natin papaliwanag yan. So, dito sa attributes, so, ito yung strength, agility, constitution, intelligence, willpower, spirit. So, iba't ibang klase yan mga kabarya ng kalakasan ng mga type ng kanilang Pokemon. So, NKG mining. So, ito na yung mag-earn tayo. Apart from participating in battles against the force of darkness, the Nekos also have their own daily lives and jobs. When not taking adventure, characters can do some jobs to get NKG. So, just need to click the button and the Neko will start working and get NKG. So, yan lang yung gagawin natin mga kabarya. Ipipindutin lang natin yung button and then mag-earn na tayo dito ng NKG. So, ipapakita ko sa inyo mga kabarya mamaya yung kanilang area. Ito yung kanyang mga land na pwede natin ipag-mint. So, daily working type, yan yon. So, makikita nyo rito yung daily working type. Pati yung part-time job, meron din. So, yan. Level 1, pay per block. So, dito tayo mag-earn or mag-mint. So, meron din sila tinatawag Budokan Coach, Bounty Assassin, Jungle Guardian, Magic Potion Maker, Dark Forest. So, yan. Papakita ko sa inyo yan mamaya. And then, dito naman tayo. So, iba lang natin. Dito tayo sa kanilang Atlas. So, dito sa Atlas mga kabarya. So, Atlas Continent Adventure is the most bloody, thirsty, and exciting part of the game. Kill the dark forces, challenge bosses, or capture treasure chests, etc. Everything is available in it, including NKG and the best equipment. Each Neko has a limited number of combats in a single day. Nekos of level 1 to 2 can participate in 2 combat a day. And the number of combat for babies or level 3 and above is equal to their level. The limit will be reset in 12 PM UTC. So, players need to pay a certain amount of NKG as a ticket to the Atlas Combat. So, kailangan natin dyan magbayad ng ticket sa NKG. So, Atlas Combat, meron din silang Budokan, Petal Birchwood, Stowan Town, and William Castle. So, dito naman tayo sa equipment. So, may mga equipment din yan. A wide variety of equipment and prop system. Each equipment is an independent NFT. Equipment can be obtained during the journey of Atlas or purchased in the market. So, more details will be announced in the future. So, battle for resources naman. So, join the PvP or player versus player resources war and get the amount of resources. More details will be announced in the future. So, dual token sa economy naman nila. So, it dynamically maintains a delicate balance of various inflationary and deflationary mechanism among these entities and ensure the long-term viability of a Pokemon money ecosystem. So, dual token ecosystem. So, yan siya. So, PMY plus NKG. So, pwede nyo basahin yan mga kabarya. And then sa PMY, ito yung kanina. So, Pokemon Governance Token. So, PMY ang ibig sabihin niya. Token holders can participate in community governance and have voting rights on the major game decision. Meanwhile, holders of PMY or Pokemon tokens, so, can also get regular airdrops of gold. Some key operation in the game requires PMY token. So, ito yung kanilang ticker sa PMY. PMY token address, token name, PMY, total supply, 21 million supply, and first release, 4 million and 200 supply. So, or PMY. So, yung token allocation nila, 5% investor or private, so 10% sa team, 15% sa community activity, 20% sa PBE, so 20% sa PVP, and 30% sa liquidity. So, token release schedule. So, yan, maaari nyo basahin niya kung kailan marirelease yung kanilang PMY token. So, earn. So, get random drops of PMY rewards in PBE adventure and participating in the marketplace will allow user to earn PMY. So, ito yung kanilang utilities. Maaari nyo basahin. So, deposit. Players can claim the PMY in the game to their wallet. Only take the appropriate PMY in your wallet, you're saving before taking the risk. So, NKG, ito nga yung kanilang token, is the main currency in the game. So, NKG is required in the most consumption scenarios in the game. For example, Nekos need to consume NKG to upgrade. NKG is required for expenses when participate in the PvP battle and preparing the equipment. You can also use NKG to hire other master Nekos to form a team, etc. After hiring a Neko, you can get NKG by mining and participating in daily tasks. NKG can also be traded through the DEX platform. So, ito yung main currency na ginagamit do sa gameplay nila. So, ito yung kanilang NKG token address. So, can be earned by playing games. Once you get them, you can withdraw them to your wallet. So, ito, NKG mining. So, Atlas will be randomly generated after the challenge is completed. So, battle for resources. Join the battle and win NKG tokens. So, yung kanilang tokens, ito din, yung deposit. So, punta naman tayo dito sa referral program nila. So, dito sa referral program, nakalagay, invite your friends to the game and earn juicy rewards together. So, makakakuha tayo dito ng 10% commission, mga kabarya, as a reward. So, yan, ito yung kanilang information, pwede nyo basahin. So, makikita nyo rin dito mga kabarya. So, click nyo lang to, parang share na to. So, makikita nyo yung my invitation code and my referral. So, i-check nyo lang. My rewards via BS scan. Pwede nyo i-copy yan and then i-post nyo sa lahat ng social media accounts nyo. Magkakaroon kayo ng 10% commission as a reward. So, yung roadmap naman nila, once na gusto nyo sumali sa mga ganitong NFTs, so, i-check nyo yung kanilang roadmap. So, dahil 2022 na tayo, first quarter, NFT Marketplace created. So, ngayong taon to, na-create na and launch merge mode, open staking pool, Genesis Nekos searing rental system, and launch PBE training ground mode. So, malapit na yung mag-quarter 2. So, aabangan natin yan, pati yung quarter 3, pati quarter 4, aabangan natin to sa kanilang roadmap. So, sa kanilang website naman, so maaari kayo bumisita sa kanilang website. So, nasa description box sa baba lang yung website nila. And then, pwede nyo i-explore yung kanilang website. So, ilalagay ko din yung kanilang social media accounts dito sa may description box sa baba. So, ito yung kanilang description Or ito yung kanilang social media accounts mga kabarya. So, maaari niyo yung bisitahin. So, ngayon mga kabarya, magbabalik na tayo or maglalaro na tayo sa kanilang in-game. So, laruin natin, check natin kung paano gumagana yung kanilang in-game. Pero bago ang lahat mga kabarya ay mag-mint muna tayo. So, ang gagawin lang natin ay bubuksan natin tong card na to. So, i-flip lang natin yan. Or bubuksan. So, pindutin nyo lang yung Pokemon cards na yan. And then, may lalabas ditong Pokemon. So, yan. So, makikita natin paano siya Pokemon. So, fire type siya. So, tingnan natin yung karakteristik niya. So, meron siyang 41 na strength. At 99 na Agi. At meron din siyang 45 na Constitution. So, ang halaga nito mga kabarya ay $20. Pero meron din tayo ditong free na Pokemon. So, pinutin lang natin yung experience. So, ayan, makakukonek na yan sa MetaMask. So, hintayin lang natin, naglo-loading. So, ang gagawin natin ay i-confirm lang natin. So, hintayin natin mag-loading. So, ayan, mabubuksan na natin yung Pokeball. Ayan, may makikita tayo ditong Pokecards. So, buksan lang natin yan. So, yung experience na tinutukoy ko ay for 1 week lang, hindi siya pang lifetime. Kasi promo lang yan mga kabarya. Yan, nakalagay dyan, experience Pokemani. Nawa lang nila ito para ma-experience nyo kung paano maglaro sa kanilang gameplay. So, 1 week kayong pwede mag-farm dito dahil meron silang promo rito na experience. So, libre lang siya. So, ma-experience nyo kung paano maglaro dito. Yun nga lang mga kabarya, medyo maliit yung mapafarm nyo sa experience. So, kung dito sa BUSD, kailangan nyo lang ng Neko. So, medyo malaki yung may pafarm nyo rito mga kabarya. So, pindutin lang natin yung payment and then pupunta tayo sa MetaMask. I-approve lang natin. So, hintayin lang natin na ma-approve to or ma-confirm. So, ayan, nakalagay success. I-open lang natin. So, medyo matagal mag-open to. So, naglo-loading siya. Hintayin lang natin na ma-open. So, after nito, may lalabas na Pokeball and then lalabas yung Pokecards. So, ayan mga kabarya, lumabas na yung Pokeball. So, i-flip lang natin or itihaya lang natin yung cards. So, meron tayo nakuha dito 3-star na Pokemon. So, itong Pokemon na to ay female or babae. So, punta naman natin yung kanilang karakteristik. So, yung kanyang strength, 45. Ang Agi ay 35. At yung kanyang constitution ay 49. At yung kanyang will ay 58. At ang kanyang intelligence ay 92 at 78 ang kanyang SPI. So, ngayon magpa-farm na tayo. So, i-close lang natin yan. Pero bago tayo magpatuloy, sasabihin ko sa inyo na maaari pa tayong kumita rito sa pamamagitan ng referral program. So, click lang natin tong share. Makikita nyo yung my invitation code. So, my referrer. So, yan. And then, ikakopy lang natin yan and then ipopost natin sa lahat ng social media accounts natin. So, once na may mag-register dyan, maaari tayong kumita rito ng commission. So, ngayon maglalaro na tayo ng kanilang gameplay dito sa NKG Mining. So, ang gagawin lang natin, click lang natin yung part-time job. And then, mamimili lang kayo ng hero nyo dyan. So, pwede nyo i-choose all yan or pwedeng isa lang. So, iwa-work lang natin, pindutin nyo yung work. So, yan, pupunta ulit tayo dito sa may MetaMask natin. I-approve lang natin. So, ganyan lang. Magmimina lang tayo dyan. Magmimint. So, yan. So, meron ditong claim. So, claim lang tayo ng claim dyan. And then, meron ditong salary NKG. Makikita nyo dyan yung NKG na token na kikitain nyo dito. So, meron tayong 0.0630. So, maghihintay lang tayo na mag-mine dyan or mag-mint. So, yan. So, back ulit tayo dito sa NKG Mining. So, makikita nyo yung iba't ibang klase dito ng mga lugar or places. So, dito naman sa novice area, so, ito yung free Pokemon na nakuha natin. So, ang gagawin lang natin, pipindutin lang natin yung work, and then i-approve lang natin dito sa MetaMask wallet natin. So, hihintay lang natin yan mag-mint. So, hihintay lang natin lumabas dito sa NKG mining ratio. So, hintay lang natin. So, ayan, lumabas na siya. So, meron siyang 0.0000 NKG salary. So, maliit lang yung kanyang makukuha. So, tumataas-taas na siya. So, ganun lang naman mga kabarya yung pag-mint dito ng token na NKG.